Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. The wait is over. Today I am going to introduce a business idea with you guys, which is business card designs. Today I am going to show you how to make business card designs. So without taking more time, let's jump into Illustrator. There are some important settings for business card printing. Let's see it. Business card width should be 3.5 inches and height 2 inches. Now on bleed area, set it on 0.125 inches. And click on link icon. Now click on advanced options. And set in CMYK colors. CMYK colors used for printing. Then click on create. Now we have an area where we will make our design. First start with rectangle. Make a rectangle and choose a color. I am going with this. Now copy this rectangle and paste it on front and choose a different color. And place it like this. Now select Free Transform tool. And choose Perspective Distort option. Select left top corner and pull it down little bit. Select both shapes and go to Pathfinder tool. Choose minus front option. Press A for direct select tool. Now select any corner and make them rounded. Now select rectangle tool and make a rectangle on right top corner of shape. And align it. Now press Alt key and drag it down right bottom corner of shape. Select these corner and make them unrounded. Select all shape and choose Unite option from Pathfinder tool. I am going to select these points and change the position little bit. Perfect. Now select rectangle tool and make a rectangle like this. Choose a color. And a line in center. Now select this shape and press Ctrl C for copy, Ctrl F for paste in front. And choose a little dark color. Select any corner and make them rounded. Now select this shape and send it to back. And align it like this. This is a stripe in between the shape. Now select both shapes and choose Shape Builder tool. And delete unwanted space in these shapes. And again send it to back. Perfect. Now our design is ready. It's time to make some icons for details. So let me design them quickly. Now I start with his name. James Mart. I am going to choose a bold font for his name. Gotham Black Regular. Choose white color. And align with icon. Now his designation. He is owner and founder of the beer shop. I choose Gotham Light font for mention his designation. Now his cell phone number. I choose white color again. And place it. Press Alt key and drag it down for his shop phone number. And align all text. Now time to go online. I choose Adobe Illustrator regular font for this. Let me write his website. Choose white color. Press Alt key and drag it down for email account. Last but very important, his shop's location. So, I am going to mention his shop's address. I am going to place it right side of location icon. Now select all texts and align them in a proper line. Now for right side of card. I am going to place his shop's logo, which I showed by making you in the last video. I will copy this logo from here and paste it on our design. Let me decrease the size and place it on right side of card. Like this. Now very important thing. We need to make our design into the bleed part. It means we need to increase the size of design part of card. So I am going to select left big shape and white background. We have to increase the size enough to cover the plain bleed area. Let me increase this rectangle as well. Now select Rectangle tool. Click on Artboard set with 3.5 inches and height 2 inches. And place on Artboard. Now go to On Object. And choose Create Trim Marks. It will automatic mark on all side of card. Trim marks indicate where you want the printed paper to be cut. Now delete the rectangle. Now our front side design has been completed. Now I am going to duplicate this artboard for back side of card. Select Artboard tool. And select first artboard and drag it down. I am going to delete all stuff from here. Now go to Rectangle tool and make rectangle like this. Cover all bleed part. Choose white color. Now go to Object, select Lock. Then Selection. Now this is our white background. Now again select Rectangle tool and make a rectangle at the top. Like this. Now choose the same dark color which was on front side. Dark blue. So let me choose the color. Select rectangle and press Alt key, drag it down at bottom. Like this. Now select Rectangle tool. And choose Polygon tool. Make a polygon shape. Change the angle a little bit. And change the color. Let me take this orange color and place it in middle. Like this. Press Alt key and drag it to right. And place. Now select polygon shapes and group them. Now select Rectangle tool. Make a rectangle. Like this. And change the color. Let me take this orange color. And align it with bottom rectangle. Arrange both shape on position. Now select this rectangle. Select Free Transform tool, choose Perspective Distort option. Now click on left top corner of rectangle and drag it to right. Like so. Adjust it little bit. Now press Ctrl C for copy and Ctrl F for paste it front. Rotate it 180 degrees. And place it like so. Select both shapes and adjust it little bit and place it like this. Now select both shapes and go to Pathfinder tool. And choose Unite option. Now select these both shapes. Choose Divide option from Pathfinder tool. Right-click on Shape. And choose Ungroup. Now select bottom rectangle and press letter A for Direct Selection tool. And select these corner and make them rounded. Now select this rectangle and adjust it little bit. Select upper corner and make them rounded little bit. And send it to back. Let me adjust it. Perfect. Now time to place logo for backside of the R card. Let me copy this logo from here. And paste it on our design. Decrease the size of logo. And place it in middle. Now I am going to mention his website name at the bottom rectangle. So let me write website name. Choose white color for it. And place it on rectangle. Now select Rectangle tool and make a rectangle of artboard size. And place it on artboard. Then go to Object. And choose Create Trim Marks. So our business card is ready for send to James. I am going to save this design into PDF format. Go to File. Save as. Choose PDF. Give it any name. Then click on Save. On this page, go to Marks and Bleeds. Check Trim Marks. Then click on Save PDF. So this is our final design of business card. You can use various designs for business card. I designed this business card for me. I used a QR scan code for my details. You can scan it while watching. It has all details of graphic designs and me. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, just scan this code. And subscribe my channel and follow me. Not even business cards. You can make magazine covers, brochures, comic posters, and much more. Only one skill and many ways to earn the money from design. So what are you waiting for? Make your own design today. And sell them online or offline. If you want to get more information for online selling of those design, leave a comment in comments section. I will let you know some places where you can sell your designs online. I hope you like the video and business idea. If you are new on my channel, so subscribe the channel and share this video with your friends too. I will see you guys in my next video. Till that, stay tuned, because the best is coming.